Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today we are going to be unboxing the 2018 Skinstore 12 Miracles of Beauty Advent Calendar. Hopefully I can get it all into frame here. This thing is absolutely massive. I was sent this particular Advent calendar last year and I unboxed it on my channel, and Skinstore reached out in October and asked me if I would be interested in sharing this year's Advent calendar with you guys, and I said yes, absolutely. This particular Advent calendar retails for $99. I will of course link it down below. It is exclusive to Skinstore, so they curated this. It is the same design as last year, where the box is actually exactly the same. And it opens like this, and you have the 12 little pull-out drawers. Can you guys see that there? Stella actually has been using this box from last year to keep her little toys and trinkets in, which I thought was really sweet. Oh, that's my cat. I was like, what is that? So she wants this year's box as well. This, I feel like, is an incredible deal. I believe the value is $340. It was such a good deal last year that I actually ended up ordering my own additional box. And then I was gifting out the different gifts to friends and family. So I would put together a little bundle based on what was in each of the boxes, and I tried to make it fair. And I was giving those as gifts, and it worked out so well. I just think that this is probably one of the best deals out there, and depending on what's in this year's box, I think I will totally purchase another one and do the same thing that I did last year, where I basically gift out everything in the box. I just kind of divide it up equally. Now, the thing about boxes like this is if you are cruelty-free, there is a chance that you are going to find some things in here that are not cruelty-free. So keep that in mind. You are paying for the entire box. You don't get to choose what goes in the box. Everything is pre-selected, and so the way that I dealt with this last year is anything that came in my box that they sent to me for PR that was not cruelty-free, I set those items aside into a pile that I then donated to a local women's shelter. So again, anything that is in here this year that is not cruelty-free, I will gift to the women's shelter. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with each of the drawers. I'm gonna pull them out 1 through 12 and show you what's in here. There is a mix of full-size products and deluxe-size products. So I believe the mix is half and half, but we'll see. The deluxe-size products in most cases are honestly quite large. Last year I found one of my new favorite items, which is the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Oil. I love that so much, and I ended up obviously getting another box, and I kept that. And then also I was able to find that at Costco of all places. They actually had a 2-pack of the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Oil, but they don't always have that in stock, so if you ever see it, I would suggest snagging it up. But all right, I'm going to open the box here, and so let's see here. I'm gonna read this little blurb to you really quickly. It's that time of year where wishes come true. This holiday season, it's all about you. 12 miracle must-haves chosen with care, providing confidence across skin, makeup, and hair. Luxury brands to make your regime complete. These magical discoveries are the ultimate treat. Expect something wonderful from every drawer carefully selected by the team at Skinstore. So we're gonna start with drawer number 1. And the first thing that we have here is the Erno Lazlo Hydrate and Nourish Night Cream. I love me a good night cream. I do believe that Erno Lazlo is cruelty-free, so I think I get to keep this. I'm really excited about this. I love night creams. This is a very, let's see here. Actually, this is only a 0.5 fluid ounce. It looks full size. It must be that the packaging is, okay, I see. So it doesn't, the product doesn't go into these like squared out corners here. It just goes straight down, but that's still a lot of night cream. So I am very excited to try that. Erno Lazlo is a slightly more expensive brand, so yeah, that'll be really fun to try. So let's stick that back in there for right now. Ooh, what is this? This is the Aroma Therapy Associates of London De-Stress Muscle Gel. So this is full size. Let's see here. Oh, I just ruined this box. That's fine. It's gonna come out of the box anyway. I'm excited about this. I go to the gym and I do have some sore muscles. So I really cannot wait to try this. I love stuff like this because a lot of times I wouldn't purchase this for myself. So this is nice to have. So let's stick that back in number 2. Number 3 is, what is this? This is the This Works Sleep Power Nap Spray. Oh, you know what? I actually had one of these before from I think it was actually a Derm Store Beauty Fix box. And I actually used the entire spray. It was like a lavender scented pillow spray. This smells really good. This does have some patchouli in it, but it smells very relaxing, very spa-like. So I'm actually excited to have this again because I really enjoyed the lavender one that I received in another box. By the way, I have no idea what's in here. I looked online for the price, but I didn't look at what was actually in the box, and I love this. I've actually used this several times. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is a wonderful basic cleanser, you guys, and these are great for travel. This is a 2 ounce here. These are great for travel because they're this kind of flip top style. This is a thicker cleanser. You don't need a lot. Works great with the Clarisonic. So I'm excited to have this. This is actually a really great thing for me. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, this is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. I was actually just reading about Elemis, and I do believe that they are cruelty-free. So I'm actually really excited to be able to keep this. What product was I looking at from Elemis? It was one of their, I think it was one of their serums or something. I can't remember now. But yeah, so I believe this is a full size. It's 1.6 ounces. This is a British brand. Says so right on the side here. Yeah, so this has vitamin E, vitamin B3, help to moisturize and condition the skin, papaya enzymes, and pineapple to refine and smooth the skin. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. We might do, these kinds of things are fun because I can get like individual reviews out of these. I love doing individual reviews on products. That is really how I started with my channel, is just doing a bunch of individual reviews. I always think those are really helpful and I love watching those types of videos. Okay, so this is one that will go into the donate pile, and it's awesome because it's a full size. This is the Caudalie Vino Source Creme Sorbet. And unfortunately, Caudalie is not cruelty-free. I learned that last year because there was a Caudalie product in there. So I'm just gonna take it out to show you guys. I'm not gonna open it, but so this will be a wonderful gift for somebody who is at a rough point in their life. So hopefully this can bring some joy to somebody. Another Dr. Botanicals. Okay, I love this brand. This is their Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. Oh yes. Vegan, cruelty-free, 100% natural. I really like this brand. It does have another one of those darn stickers on here. Okay, let's see what this container looks like. Okay, it's a dropper style, so that's good. So here's what it looks like. I'm really excited about that. Here, let's just do that. Oh, that's so funny. This was in last year's box too. And I need to use this. I don't know why I'm so lazy about it. This is the Grow Gorgeous Hair Density Intense Serum. Was last year's the Intense? I wonder if this is different. I think this might be slightly different, but I am going to start using this. I would like to grow my hair out just a little bit. Not much. I kind of liked the length that I had before I cut it this last time around. It just needed some style cut into it, but then I was like, oh, I might as well just, you know, get rid of a bunch of the dead stuff. But I do think stuff like this can work. I know that when I used last year's consistently, it did feel like it made my hair grow a little bit faster. Not anything drastic, but I do think that the stuff like this works if used consistently. So keep that in mind. All right, we are at drawer number 9, and ooh, Skin Medica. Okay, so these are pretty small. This is the Skin Medica Total Defense and Repair, and then the TNS Eye Repair. I do know that Skin Medica is not cruelty free, so these are another item that will go into the donate pile. But yeah, these are pretty small. I would say these are actually just samples, not even deluxe samples. Maybe this one could go as a deluxe, but no. So these are slightly disappointing, but everything else that I've seen so far, I feel like still makes it worth the value. So let's finish with the last 3 drawers. Number 10 is the Eyeko Fat Eye Stick in the color Guilt. That's beautiful. That is a gorgeous bronze. Let me swatch this one for you guys. Ooh, it's like that's a beautiful bronze. Look at that. It has quite a bit of like that old gold in it. That's really beautiful. I do think that Eyeko is cruelty free, but I'm going to double check on that. I should have done that before swatching it. I'm an idiot. Okay, what is this? Ooh, this is the Skin Chemists of London Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Okay, I don't know anything about Skin Chemists, so I will have to look this up. Let's just see what the container looks like. Okay, so it's like a lip gloss type. Oh, don't open it. Okay, I'm not sure yet, so I'm not gonna open it because I don't know if they're cruelty free or not. And if I can gift this, then I will. And then drawer number 12, what is in here? Okay, this makes the whole thing worth it for me. This is the Omorovicza Balancing Moisturizer. I was actually looking at this. I do really like the Queen of Hungary hydration mist that Omorovicza has. I recently featured it in a products that I really like but don't necessarily need video. It is one of those like, you know, like I don't need a spray to mist my face with, but I do really like the product and I've been wanting to try more from Omorovicza, and it was actually this moisturizer, their balancing one, that I was looking at because you guys know that I have oily skin. This is a full size. This brand is not cheap. And this is, I would say this is probably somewhere in the $50 range just by itself. I don't know for sure, but yeah, so I'm really excited about this. I cannot wait to start using this, but that's everything that's in the drawers, you guys. So those are the 12 days of beauty from 12 miracles of beauty from Skinstore. I hope that you guys enjoyed going through this advent calendar with me. I do think, now that I've seen everything that's in here, I do think I'll go ahead and purchase another one myself to be able to gift out. I think there are some fun things in here that I know that my mom would really enjoy using. And so yeah, also a couple of girlfriends as well. So anyway, there you guys go. Let me know if you have any questions. A big thank you to Skinstore for sending this out again this year. And I will, of course, link it down below for you. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.